The Boeing 737-900 is one of the longest members of the legendary 737 family, a series of aircraft that has shaped modern air travel for decades. Built by Boeing, the 737-900 represents a key step in the evolution of narrow-body, single-aisle jets. Introduced in the late 1990s, the Boeing 737-900 was designed to carry more passengers than earlier models, like the 737-800, while maintaining the efficiency and reliability the 737 series is known for. With its extended fuselage, this aircraft can typically accommodate between 178 to 220 passengers, depending on the airline's configuration. One of the standout features of the 737-900 is its balance between size and performance. Despite being longer, it still retains the same wingspan as its predecessors. This allows it to operate from the same airports and runways as other 737 models, making it highly versatile for airlines around the world. The aircraft is powered by CFM56-7 engines, known for their fuel efficiency and reduced noise levels. These engines help the 737-900 achieve a cruising speed of around 850 km per hour, while maintaining lower operating costs, a major advantage for airlines looking to maximize profitability. Inside the cabin, passengers experience a comfortable and modern environment. Airlines often equip the 737-900 with upgraded interiors, including larger overhead bins, improved lighting, and enhanced seating designs. These features make both short and medium-haul flights more enjoyable for travelers. However, the original 737-900 had a limitation. Its exit door configuration restricted the maximum number of passengers it could carry. To address this, Boeing introduced an improved version known as the 737-900ER, or Extended Range. This variant includes additional exit doors, increased fuel capacity, and a longer range, allowing it to fly farther distances and carry more passengers efficiently. The 737-900ER has become particularly popular among airlines that need a cost-effective aircraft for high-demand routes without upgrading to a larger wide-body jet. It offers the perfect combination of capacity, range, and economics. Over the years, the Boeing 737 family, including the 737-900, has earned a reputation for reliability and safety. Thousands of these aircraft operate daily across the globe, connecting cities and people with remarkable efficiency. Today, while newer aircraft like the 737 MAX series are entering service, the 737-900 continues to play an important role in many airline fleets. Its proven design and operational flexibility ensure it remains a valuable asset in the aviation industry. In conclusion, the Boeing 737-900 stands as a testament to smart engineering and continuous innovation. It combines extended capacity, dependable performance, and economic efficiency, making it one of the most practical aircraft in its class.